In this video, we will discuss the app tray on a DS5 touchscreen. The DS5 touchscreen has built-in applications that can be accessed by selecting the icon with 4 squares at the top of the screen. To scroll, swipe your finger on the screen. If the application menu is exited while an app is in use, it will return to the same place in the app the next time the application menu is selected. To return to the app tray, press the application button again. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.